Welcome back. So we started talking about water. So it's important to have water in our diet because most of our body is made up of water. And so dehydration is the abnormal depletion of body fluids, and um, this is something that's not good for our body because most of again, like most of our body is made up of water. Also, it's a major component for our blood. It's necessary for electrolyte and pH balance, transportation of cells and oxygen. So we need water in order for us to breathe. So it's recommended to have at least 8 glasses a day. So that's 64 ounces if you think about it. And I'm not like talking about like the big, huge glasses. It could be like kind of like it's like the little like kind of the Dixie like little cups that you get like at the water cooler or something like that. So it's not like really that big of a glass as well. So again, about 50 to 60% of our body is made up of water. So that's when you think about it, that's quite a significant amount in our body. So food pyramid. So there are 6 food groups. So grains, and we should be eating about grains. So that's about 6 ounces of grains. Vegetables, about 2.5 cups. Fruits, about 2 cups. Oils, eat less. So there's really not an amount. We just gotta be cautious of how much we're eating. Milk, about 3 cups. Meat and beans, about 5.5 ounces. And we'll go over more about what those sizes look like, but that's like kind of give you an idea of what size, how much proportion size we should be consuming a day. So we'll start off with fruits. So this fruits can be any fruits or 100% fruit juice. So just be aware of what kind of fruit juice you're getting. There's some that have a lot more sugar than others or not pure fruit juice. Your best bet to make sure it's 100% fruit juice is by like the fruit section. They sell a lot of that. So if you're getting it from that section, then you're in pretty good shape rather than going down the aisle where all the juice is, because most likely that is not 100% fruit juice. They're all count as part of a fruit group. Fruits may be fresh, canned, frozen, or dried. It may be whole, cut up, or pureed. And examples of these could be apples, bananas, strawberries, grapes, lemons, oranges, cantaloupe, watermelon, peaches, and raisins are some examples of foods in this group. I'm sure you guys could come up with some other ones. And you should be eating about 2 cups every day. Next one is vegetables. So again, any vegetable or 100% vegetable juice counts as a member of the vegetable group. So the vegetable juices are usually again like over by where like the fresh produce section is. You might be able to find some in the juice aisle. You just got to make sure it says 100% juice because a lot of it does contain sugar and other added things to it. Vegetables may be raw or cooked, fresh, frozen, canned, or dried, dehydrated. It may be whole, cut up, or mashed. Some examples are broccoli, carrots, corn, peas, green beans, tomatoes, squash, celery, cucumbers, lettuce, potatoes, cabbage are some examples in this group. And you should eat about 2.5 cups every day. Meats, beans, and nuts. So all foods from meats, poultry, fish, dried beans, or peas, because some people are either vegan or vegetarian, so they don't eat meat. Eggs, nuts, seeds are considered parts of this group. Dried beans and peas are part of this group as well as the vegetable group. So if you're eating like beans and peas, then you're kind of like hitting like 2 groups, so that's kind of cool. We'll stop right there for now. I'll continue on in the next section.